Open the statistics worksheet. Modify the column widths and row heights as described below. Auto-fit column width. Use auto-fit column width to change the width of column A to make all contents visible. Change the row height of row 1 to 48. Change the width of column B through M to 10 characters. In cell A1, change the font to Arial Black. And the font size to 24. Change the font color to turquoise. Accent 3 darker 50%. Change the fill color of the cell to turquoise. Turquoise accent 3. Darker 80%. Turquoise accent 3, lighter 80%, sorry. Okay. Merge and center the contents of A2 to M2. A2 to M2. Then apply the heading style, heading to style. And format the merged cells with the long date format. Enter the contents below in table 1 below in this change range of C4 through C4 F5. So starting with C4, bottles, D4, mixed, and glass. And C5 will be 25, then 80, 50, 15. Format the cells in range C5 to F5. So we get C5 to F5. with the currency, with 2 decimal places. Apply the following options as described below. Alright, let's see here. Bold and center the content of B4. Center B bold. Use Format Painter to apply the formatting of B4 to the range C4 to F4. Okay. Format Painter. Okay. Merge contents B4 to B5. Okay. Apply all borders style to the range B4 to B5. Okay. B4. We want all borders. There we go. Remove the content of E6 of cell E6, E6 to E7. Remove the content. So move the content of cell E6, E6, to the cell E7. Apply the blue merge content E7 G7. And apply the fill color. Blue accent 2. Lighter 60%. Okay. All right. Use the January label in cell B8. B8. Use the January label in cell B8 to fill the range C8 to M8. Okay. In cell B13, use the sum function to add ranges in the range B9 to B9 to total the values in range B9 to B12. Okay, B9 to B12. Alright. And autofill over to M13. Perform a goal stick analysis to determine the number of bins of plastic containers, bags, cell B10. Okay, so we're going to do data, what if, goal seek. Now changing cell will be B10, but changing cell, okay, say but B13, and the total will be to 100. Okay. All right. Okay. In cell B14, use the keyboard to enter a formula that multiplies the value in B9 by the value in cell C5. Okay. Equals B9 times C5. Use an absolute reference to cell C5. Okay. Okay. Copy the formula from B14 to M14. Okay. Okay. Calculate the revenue for the remaining three recyclables: plastic, mixed paper, and glass below, and remember to use the absolute references. Okay. Plastics. Okay. So this will be B10 equals B10 times asterisk D asterisk 5. So we're going to go autofill here. And this one will be equals B11 times asterisk string E string 5. And the final one will be B12 equals B12 times string F string 5. Okay. Format the values in B9 to M13. So I'm going to have B9 through M13. Comma style. Decrease the number of decimals to 1. Format the range B18 to M18. No. Oh, B14, sorry. B14 to M14 with accounting. Alright, okay. Number 13, so with two decimal places, done that. Alright, apply a new conditional formatting rule to ranges B18 to M18. So we have B18 to M18. Do conditional formatting. Highlight cells greater than. So it's going to be greater than 4,000. And standard light green fill color. Custom format. Fill. I'm going to use the standard light green fill. And the font color will be standard blue font color. In cell B21, use the average function. On B14 to B14 to B17. So B14 to B17. And autofill. We use the maximum on B22. And it's going to be C22 to M20. Let's see, B14 to B17. And for the minimum, function minimum, we're going to do the same thing. In cell B24, we're going to run the if function. In logical test, B21 is greater than 1000. If the function is true, good, and poor if it's not good. And autofill. In cell B26, create column sparklines from the data and say ranges H12 to G12. Okay, so we'll create sparkline. So data, home, insert, line, sparkline. We're going to use the range H12 to J12. So H12 H12 to J12. I'm going to change the style to Sparkline Style Accent 3. Sparkline Style Accent 3, no dark, no light. Okay. Check the spelling in the workbook to identify any correct spelling errors. Let's go review, spelling. Okay. Format the worksheet for printing as described below. Change the orientation, page layout, orientation, landscape. Change the worksheet margins to narrow, margins, narrow. Insert a header in the center with the text Island Recycling 2016. So we're going to get insert header, insert Header. The header is going to be Island Recycling Statistic, 2016 statistics. Scale the worksheet so that it prints on one page. Hit escape to get out of the header. Now, select the print area as the range A4 to M26. So go A4 to M26. Print area, set print area. Okay. Okay. All right. Create a 3D pie chart. Okay. Create a 3D pie chart. So we're going to highlight B8 through M8. B8 to M8 and B18 to M18. Going to data, insert, pie chart, 3D. Move it to its own chart. New sheet. Name it revenue. Change the chart title by revenue by month. Select the chart style. Style 6. Add data labels using the data callout. Remove the legend from the chart. Switch back to the statistics. To create a custom column chart based on the ranges A8 to D12. Let's go A8 to D12. Insert. Recommended chart. Cluster column. Move the chart to its own chart. It's going to be named Quarter 1 chart. Use the name Quarter 1 chart as the name of the new chart sheet. Format the custom column chart with the following options. Chart title will be bins collected. Add number of bins as the primary axis. Vertical axis is number of bins. And month and quarter one is horizontal. Go to the volunteer educators axis. Go to the volunteer educators sheet. Rotate the labels in B3 to B14. Use the entries in A3 to A4 to fill the ranges A14. Okay. All right. Copy the range C3 to C5. Remove the fill color from the C3 to C5. In the recycling company's worksheet, select cell B3. Cell B3 and freeze pane. Zoom out the recycling company's worksheet to 60%. Select select the statistics worksheet, recycling company worksheets, and then change the tab color sheets to okay. Okay, statistics, volunteer, tab color, turquoise accent 3. Okay. Do another spell check. Exit, save, rename and submit.